we often think of creativity as something that is related to inspiration, where you can just get an idea randomly, which is true, but creativity is like exercising every day. You need to engineer it. Don't think of creativity as something that randomly happens when you're, gazing out the window. You need to think of it as a practice and be disciplined about it. Engineer creativity into your business. Make it an embedded part of whatever it is that you do. And don't wait for ideas. You need to hunt every day, all the time. Think of solutions. Constantly stretch your mind and exercise your brain as if it's a muscle to come up with ideas, and you'll see how it will change your business. So design within your calendar, put time aside where you actually just sit and think about ideas, think about how you can expand your business, or think about how you can improve aspects of your business. Actually design the time. Have brainstorm sessions with your team on a regular basis. It's like, right, every Wednesday we're having a brainstorm session between these times. That's how you make it something that is actually engineered within your business, as opposed to something that might or might not happen.